Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Frank from Easy Dream Adventures. It's Red Shirt Friday. Do you have your red shirt on? Remember, everyone deployed. Today, we're going to talk about cooking, RV and campground cooking. So, make sure you leave your comments and let us know, what you like to cook, how you like to cook it, what you use. I'm going to share a little bit about what we have. So, obviously we have our RV, we've got the microwave, the stove, and the oven inside of it. We also have an Instapot. We've got a really nice air fryer that's one of those with the door that opens and multiple shelves. I even think it has a rotisserie in it. We haven't used that though. We've got a small Blackstone. We used to have a Smoky Joe charcoal grill, and that kind of rotted out. It was pretty old, so obviously there's campfires, so you can cook on your campfire. Trying to think what else we have in the RV. I think I pretty much covered it. We do a lot of cooking. We don't eat out a lot. It just, we find it expensive, and now that we're work camping, by the end of the day, you think we'd be tired and want to go out to eat, but we just want to put our feet up. So usually once, maybe twice a week we'll go out to eat. So we do a lot of cooking. I'd say primarily our Blackstone is used quite a bit. We'll cook breakfast on it, bacon, sausage, eggs, hash browns. Our other method of cooking is charcoal grilling. So like I said, I used to have a Weber Smoky Joe, and that kind of rotted out. And then last year I decided to buy one of these slinky stoves that I saw advertised. And it's one of those portable fire pits. It collapses down into a small, I think it's a 17-inch, and it's probably maybe 6-8 inches tall when you collapse it down. Well, I have to be honest, pretty disappointed in that slinky stove. Number one, the 17-inch wasn't big enough for campfires. I mean, yeah, you could have a small campfire, but it just, I don't know, it didn't burn right either. It didn't burn like a solo stove. It didn't burn like a campfire, a regular campground campfire. So kind of disappointed in that. It did have a grill on top. I'm currently using that for a charcoal grill because our Weber broke, but I'm going to be looking for a new Weber Smoky Joe. Don't know where I'm going to put it. We're so overloaded in the RV, but I like a Weber Smoky Joe. It's got the cover on it. It's got the vents. You can adjust your heat. And I like cooking off charcoal. So I think I'm going to invest in another Weber Smoky Joe. We did buy a generic solo stove, and so far that's been really good for campfires. Haven't used it for cooking. The grill off of the slinky stove fits on top of it, so there's a possibility there. But yeah, I like charcoal grilling. I like my steaks, my pork chops. They just taste so much better. Chicken, it's just so much better with charcoal, in my opinion. So that's our second. Like I said, number one, we use the Blackstone quite a bit. Number two would be the slinky, or the charcoal grilling. The crock pot, we don't do a lot of casseroles. I think we use the crock pot more in the chilly months, where we'll start a soup and let a soup cook in there all day. our Instapot. That's something we bought, and we've been using that for quick things. You know, you can take a chicken breast, frozen chicken breast, some rice, and a can of cream of chicken or cream of mushroom soup, and throw it in there, and from frozen to done in like 20-25 minutes, and it's pretty good. So we use that for that a little more often. Cooking on the campfire, a lot of places don't have regular campfires, so you're limited to your slinky, your portable campfires. But in the past, I'd say we've cooked quite a bit. We used to have one of those tripods you can put over the campfire and cook, and we don't carry that with us now. You know, a lot of campgrounds don't have the campfire setups, which is kind of sad because, you know, sitting around a campfire at night, there's just something about that. It just brings people together. It makes memories. It's peaceful, you know. Yeah, we've got our portable one, but here where we're at now, they actually have campfires, and I'm sitting in one of the premium sites here now, and they've got these beautiful brick lot surrounded campfires. But all the other ones are the ones with the cooking grid that flips over on the round iron campfire ring. So yeah, so what else do we cook? You know, microwave, we only use that to warm stuff up. Don't really rely on that too often. The stove inside, we'll use that for boiling, you know, hard-boiled eggs, pasta. Other than that, we really don't use the inside stovetop too much. It's just, I don't know. I like cooking outside, so that's really more left for bad weather days like today. But today's Friday, and we're working at the campground, so we're not going to be cooking. It's a long day. Today we have 2 shifts. We're 9 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon, and then 2 in the afternoon till 7 at night. So when 7 o'clock comes around, we've been relying on Alfano's Italian food here for. They've got some awesome, I think I shared on our Facebook page, some awesome lasagna. You get a nice chunk of lasagna, a really good salad, and garlic bread for like $12.95, and they deliver here to the campground. So yeah, we've been doing that on Fridays. We tried their pizza as well. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I've had the lasagna twice. I guess I have to try something different. But anyway, back to cooking at the campground. So, you know, in the past, I used to have some cast iron pans that I would cook on the campfire. I don't have any at this point. I'd like to, I think, get a Dutch oven. I had one of those before. Those are really nice too. We've made roasts in the Dutch oven. We've made cake, like a dump cake in the Dutch oven in the campfire. So those are really nice. Do you have any cast iron cookware, a Dutch oven, or frying pans? You know, let us know in the comments below. What do you do with those? Do you enjoy using those? And what do you make in them? Used to have a LP barbecue grill, the little cheap tabletop ones. I've gone through a couple of those, and to be honest, they get so, you know, unless you really keep after them, they get so dirty. You get so many flare-ups in there, and unless you buy a good one, the ones you get for, you know, $49 or whatever, they're pretty much junk and they don't last very long. So I've shied away from those. Like I said, I really enjoy the charcoal grill cooking, so that's our primary barbecuing mode. I know there's some other high-end ones. Our friends over at RV There Yet, they have the Magna grills, and they look pretty cool. They look easy to clean, but haven't done that yet. I think I'm just going to go back to my old Smoky Joe, my Weber Smoky Joe. I'm going to order a small little one and just get that going again. So yeah, let us know in the comments below. You know, what all do you cook? What do you have to cook with? what do you like to cook? And, put that in the comments and share it. I'm sure other people would like. If you have recipes too, go ahead and put them below. We have had, I think I've only posted one cooking in the RV video, but I've got a bunch of others that I've recorded, just haven't had time. We've got so much video, so many places we've been, and so little time to edit these and get them out there. So we've been trying to get, besides the Red Shirt Fridays, which we've been doing every Friday, I've been trying to get a regular video out every week, and we missed last week. Work camping is, at least the schedule we have here is taking more of our time than we thought, which is fine. We're here to make some money so we can hit the road and enjoy traveling again. But so yeah, so that's surprise. The one thing I didn't talk about is the oven in our RV. We have an LP oven. Not a big surprise, but the surprise is we've done a lot of baking in there. I've baked apple pies, whole apple pies, 2 of them for Thanksgiving one year because we were visiting some family down in Florida. So we cooked 2 regular apple pies, homemade apple pies in that oven. We've made chocolate chip cookies. We've obviously pizzas, frozen and or homemade. I do have to say we did buy a pizza stone to put in the bottom of that oven, and that really distributes the heat better in that oven, and we've had much better success with that, so I highly suggest that. So what have you cooked in your oven, in your RV, your LP oven? A lot of people don't have those LP ovens because they now have microwaves with convection ovens. But again, we're in a 2001 Winnebago Adventurer and we don't have a convection oven. We have a gas LP oven. So anyway, hey guys, ladies, gentlemen, hope you have a fantastic weekend. Remember, it's Red Shirt Friday. The red shirts, we wear them to remember everyone deployed. So let's keep all of our troops deployed in our thoughts and prayers, and you all have a fantastic weekend.